Hello, this is Gabri. Today we are introducing DJI OSMO Pocket Original Accessory. This one, OSMO Pocket Expansion Kit. The pad to include is controller heel. This one, very nice. And the wireless mono. And mount accessories. And this one is 32 GB TF car. This is the whole set of the expansion kit. Okay, let's test the control heel. The first thing is we have to remove this protect cover so that we can put the control heel into the gimbal. Okay, and then we have to power on the OSMO Pocket. This button can control the lens. So this one is up and down. You can see up and down. Yes. So you have switch to the left. Then it can turn left and right. You can see the control here is control left and right. Okay, and this is overturn button. You only have to press one time. This press one time is bad. Okay, this button is for switch the function model. Press one time. This is follow function. This gimbal lock function. This FPV function. It only has 3 functions. Okay, let's introduce the wireless manual. I think this accessory is very useful because we can to connect the smartphone, so we can control the OSMO Pocket on the smartphone. Also, it can be a stand and put it on the table. Also, they have a port. It can use the Type-C cable to charge the gimbal. It's very good for our long time shooting. Okay, the next step is connect the wireless mono with the smartphone. The first step we have to power on the OSMO Pocket. And then we have to connect the smartphone Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi name is called OSMO Pocket, and there have some accessory numbers there. Okay, it's connected. And then we have to download the DJI app. It's called DJI Mimo. Okay, connect it. You can see after to connect the smartphone, there have so many functions to use. There have the time-lapse function, slow motion function. We can take video, take photo, and panoramic shooting. Okay, let's introduce the OSMO mount accessories. Let's open it and put it into the OSMO Pocket. Okay. Tie it up. It's very subtle, and you can see this button. You can connect all the OSMO, all the GoPro accessories, such as some triple extension ports and some other mount. Okay, today's introduction of the OSMO Pocket Expansion Kit is over. Thank you for your watching. But next time, I will recommend some cheaper and useful OSMO Pocket accessories. Welcome to follow our YouTube channel and Facebook. Thank you.